like a heat wave hits you right between the eyes. At a dive bar looking like Brooklyn in July. Sun melting off your tattoos on your thighs. Drunk off something I vaguely remember. It tasted like whiskey and rye. Get it out of your system, throwing up on the pavement. Hold your hair, I'm laughing, but my stomach's turning. Pumping, playing Black Flag, my shirt faded Chromax. Lead singer wearing dog tags, and you and me. You and me. We know who we are. Close to falling apart. Unapologetic heart. Outcasts from the start. We know who we are. We know who we are. You and me. It's like the sunshine blinding you in both of your eyes. At a hotel bar using your best cheesy pickup line. With 3 drinks in, getting matching tattoos of our signs. It was dumb, I know, but I'm a Cancer, so I had the most perfect time. Getting stoned in Michigan. When you talk, I'm listening. Your nails are faded red, my life a perfect mess. For running through the tree line, only worth $1,000, don't mind. That's 50 bottles of wine for you and me.